Hello, my name is Paul Perry and I'm the Head of Creative Writing at UCD. UCD has long been associated with some of Ireland's greatest writers, including James Joyce, Flann O'Brien, Mary Lavin, Colm Tóibín and Maeve Binchy. In 2018, we started a 4-year BA in English with Creative Writing. In my talk, I will outline the structure and content of the course from first to fourth year. I will tell you about the creative writing community at UCD, internship opportunities, study abroad options, the English and Literary Society, student publications, and the practical experience English with creative writing can give you in order to prepare you for a career when you graduate. I look forward to seeing you on Thursday, June 4th at 1 p.m.